Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. Sorry, I was just playing with how my hands either cover up the machine or don't cover up the machine as I'm pulling a shot. That's why it was so awkward. But yeah, pretty good shot. I think I could have got a little, I definitely could have got more espresso in the portafilter basket, and that would allowed me to have more crema in the shot. And some people would say I should only pull once, which I understand, but if you want more coffee, you'd have to pull twice. So thank you. Oh yeah, let's test the steam too. Nice strong steam. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.